Hello, everybody. Today we are going to open up this box of Streets of New Capenna set boosters to see what is in there. Also, one thing to note: you see the Wizards of the Coast film on here. So they are closed on all sides like they do now. So, making sure it's authentic. I know this is authentic because I got it from a. Oh, I'll put my trash can over. And I got my handy dandy sorting tray here so that we can. All of them have a box topper. It looks like this is the fifth box I have opened of this, and they are all the same in English, rather. This box topper, all the box toppers are the same, but it varies depending on the language that you got the box in, I'm guessing. I know there are 11 different printings of this particular box topper, and each language has a different art. So that's really kind of neat that they did that. And we got our art card. I love those art cards. Basic lands. Murder's back. Social climber, and these are the showcase treatment. There's several different treatments in this set, so we're going to put the showcases up there. Incandescent Aria, Celebrity, and then Wernog. This is on the list now. What they did for this particular set is on the list. They did magic named versions of the Secret Lair Stranger Things cards. So you can see it has Friends Forever. It is a list card that is from that. They did the whole set, and there's a bunch of them. There's 68 list cards, and we know that there's 121 on a sheet. More of these. Love those lands. Evolving Door. That's a neat. I know that this down here is fuzzy, but the idea is right here what I'm opening is to be the focus. There's another list card. Ooh, those pretty lands. Those are the, I forget what the treatment is called on those. The full art lands from this set. There's 2 per basic. They're pretty beautiful, even though they do not represent and that's a forest. Okay. Sanguine Spies are rare in that one, and we got a Treasury Thrall from the list. We have counters, shield counters introduced in this set. Newsy, Void Rend, it's nice. Jenny Faye, we got a full rare. It's a legend. That's pretty neat. Rocco's uncommon. Oh, well, that's odd. We got both versions of Rocco's in the same pack. When you open up, you see the token there. You know you didn't get a list card, because that's where the list card is in this particular set. Lagrella, Adjudicator. There's another Rocco. Maestros Diabolus are rare. Little minigame cards. Some of those minigame cards are hard to find. I have not seen one for this set. Colored artifacts. That's kind of neat. Crew Captain. Mary. Now, this is from, since these are set boosters, you can pull cards from the New Capenna Commander sets. So that is what Mary is here. The Killing Quill, so we'll put that there. Depopulate, that's a That's a card. Shield counters. Fatal Grudge. Now, I have noticed that the... Ooh! Luxior. That's a beautiful artifact. And a foil Riveteer's Charm. I have noticed at a rate of about 1 per box in set boosters is the gilded cards. Those things are just beautiful. Oh, I'm getting my stacks crossed up here, ain't I? Blue cards are not black cards. Glamorous Outlaw, Cabaret Ascendancy, and a full Riveteer's Overlook. Wow, these are, that's a whole lot of lands. These are the family specific, I call them instant evolving wilds. We got 3 of them in the same pack. That's kind of unlicensed hearse is our rare for that one. Foil Ready to Rumble. Oh, list card. A lot of green. Cormella, Extraction Specialist, Plowhawk, and another Secret Lair. Print, list print. Keep going here. Arc Splitter, Cabaret Charm, Tramway Station, Quasar, Scheming Fence, foil out of the way, and our minigame card. Citizen tokens. Back. We had citizen tokens in Fallen Empires way, way back. Ooh, Shattered Seraph. That's beautiful art, isn't it? Tenuous Truce. That's another from, Agnus the Dragon's Lash. That's pretty. Theotora's Envoy. Killshot. It's a reprint, I do believe. A couple of common reprints in here. Murder, Killshot, Disdainful Stroke. Stuff you need, you know. Man, look at those lands. It's beautiful. Brokers. 3 charms. Look at that. Right there beside each other. Brazen Upstart. Angel of Suffering. A Black Angel. I mean, look at that little fish. He's in his own little bubble. Can't be blocked. Oh, well, we know what this is. Gilded Pinions, Revelation of Power, Exotic Pets. That's what makes the fishies. Tramway. Fight Rigging is our rare. Torch Breath. And this is the Sadie Hawkins, whatever, from the Secret Lair Stranger Things print. Security Rocks. Cormella. Waterfront. There's another Jenny Faye. Broker's Veteran and some counters. There's 3 different counters that they I lost what I was doing. Okay. Let's see if we can get a little closer in right there. Is that a little better? I think so. Brazen Upstart, Tramway Station, Shakedown Heavy. An offer you can't refuse. Lots of red there. Man, that's a lot of red. Broker's Charm, Showcase. Obscuricom, Showcase. Cut Your Losses. And a Showcase Racer's Ring. It's one of the new tapped lands. They always want to make a tap land cycle. Oh, it's a list. On this, dig up the body, body dropper, Riveteer's Charm. There's Mr. Orfeo, Quasar, Mass Bandits, Cemetery Tampering, Botanical Plaza, and we got a list card from Dragon's Tarkier, Profaner of the Dead. Didn't know that was on the list. For the family. For rare, Tenacious Underdog. Doesn't that kind of look like, oh, the legend? Tessiger? Kind of does. Maybe he's undercover. Orfeo. Oh, a regular one. And a foil showcase. Some blue. And Halo, the painter. That is the Commander deck. The Capenna Express. Wow. I mean, that's whack. Because, Outlaw. Urbrask. That's pretty good. Full Quasar. Ooh, there's a list. Tramway Station. Some artifacts. Shattered Seraph. Hostile Takeover. Cabaret Charm foil. Man, that's pretty. And then a Nightmare. I was not expecting Nightmare to be on the list. Of course, I didn't really study the list either. Brass Knuckles. Look at that. Brass Knuckles. Waterfront District. Errant. That's a separate treatment. Oh, our first Triumph. Check that out. Zator's Proving Ground. Now, these are not Triumphs, but they're just like the other Triumphs that we had in Ikoria. So, all of those were Triumph in the name. So, we're just kind of going to call them Triumphs. Citizen's Crowbar. Knockout Blow. Ooh, Incandescent Aria. Widespread Thieving. Urbrask the Hidden. And a foil. That was 2 rares and a mythic, folks, in one pack. And a foil. I'm not gonna fuss at that. Glamorous Outlaw. Lagarella Showcase. Endless Detour. Socialite. That's 11 from the Stranger Things. Rakish Reveler, Nimble Larcenous. Henzi the Toolbox. That is from the Commander as well. Toulouse. Foil Brazen Upstart Showcase. We've only got 2 packs left. We haven't seen no gilded card yet. It may shoot my theory of 1 per box. Of course, not everything is lockstep with them. Legala. Wiretapping is our rare. Maestro Cedar. And this is our last pack. One of the other boxes, the last pack had our gilded card in there. But we don't know. That's the beauty of what makes it random. Cormella. Maestro's Charm. Skybridge Tower. Well, That's not a gilded card, but I will take it. That is a Phyrexian Urabrask. That's kind of nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Corpse Explosion and a full Lagrella. And that is it. Box is empty. So I do appreciate y'all watching. And I just figured since we normally do a pack a day, we would do a box today since it is pre-release weekend. Why not? So thank y'all for joining. And we will see y'all next time.